Hello friends. Imagine you're driving smoothly but suddenly your engine hesitates, misfires, or loses power. You plug in an obd2 scanner and it throws code P0213, injector circuit malfunction for cylinder 11. What does this mean and how can you fix it? Let's break it down. Ignoring this issue can lead to poor fuel economy, rough idling, and engine stalling. The exact location depends on your engine type. For V12 engines, which are common in luxury and performance cars, cylinder 11 is usually located on the passenger side, near the rear. The fuel injector itself is attached to the intake manifold and connected to the fuel rail. So let's talk about some of the most common reasons you might see a P0213 code pop up. First, a malfunctioning fuel injector could be the culprit. If it's clogged or damaged, it just won't spray fuel the way it's supposed to. Next, damaged wiring is a big one. Loose, frayed, or even corroded wires can mess with the signal going to the injector. Then, there's the possibility of ECM failure. That's when your engine computer isn't sending the right signals, which can definitely cause problems. And finally, fuel system issues like a bad fuel pump or a clogged fuel filter can lower the fuel pressure and trigger the code. Alright, so how do you actually fix a P0213 code? Well, step 1 is to inspect the wiring and connector for cylinder 11's injector. If you spot any damaged wires, go ahead and repair or replace them. Then, for step 2, grab a multimeter and check the injector's resistance. If it's not reading between 10 and 15 ohms, you'll want to replace the injector. Pretty straightforward, right? Alright, so step 3 is to check for voltage at the injector connector. If you don't see any voltage, well, the issue might actually be in the wiring or the ECM. Now step 4 is to swap the injector with another cylinder. If the code moves to the other cylinder, that means the injector is faulty and needs to be replaced. Ignoring P0213 can lead to engine misfires, rough acceleration, and honestly increased fuel consumption. It's definitely best to fix it early to avoid those expensive repairs down the road. And hey, if the issue keeps coming back, it's a good idea to consult a professional mechanic. So, want to learn more about obd2 error codes? Check out these next videos. P0145, which covers oxygen sensor circuit slow response for bank 1, sensor 3, and P0146, about oxygen sensor circuit no activity detected, also for bank 1, sensor 3. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips. Thanks for hanging out with us, and yeah, we'll see you in the next one.